Hello everyone, welcome in today's class. Today we are going to learn more and less objects comparison. So let's start. All of you can see two plates here and some balls are kept in both the plates. So we have to decide in which plate more balls are there and in which plate less balls are there. Then how we will decide it? So we will start the counting first. We will count the balls from this plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in this plate 9 balls are there. And we will count the balls from this plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this plate 6 balls are there. So now we can decide in which plate more balls are there and in which plate less balls are there. More it means large in number and less it means few. So here we can see in this plate 9 balls, it means large number of balls are there. So in this plate more balls are there and here few balls are there than this plate. So here less number of balls are there. More balls, less balls. More balls, less balls. We also can match the balls from both the plates and we can decide more and less. So let's start that. One ball from this plate and one ball from this plate. One ball from this plate and take one ball from this plate. One ball from this plate, one ball from this plate. Like that, like this, go on matching the balls and keep it aside. So now you can see this plate is empty and here 3 extra balls are there. We match the balls from both the plates, but in this plate we can find that 3 extra balls are there. So in this plate more balls were there and in this plate less balls were there. Now all of you can see the chilies in both the plates and we have to decide in which plate more chilies are there and in which plate less chilies are there. So first we will count the number of chilies from this plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this plate 5 chilies are there and in this plate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this plate 10 chilies are there. From numbers also and from quantity also you can come to know that in this plate more number of chilies are there and here few chilies are there. So here more number of chilies are there and here less chilies are there. Okay, we have decided that in this plate less chilies are there, in this plate more chilies are there. Now all of you can see candles in both the plates. Now we have to decide about the more number of candles and less number of candles. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 candles are there and here 2 candles are there. So in this plate there are more number of candles and here there are less number of candles. Okay, we also can match the candles and can decide. Take one candle from this plate, one candle from this plate. Take one candle from this plate, one candle from this plate. So now you can see this plate is empty and here 2 extra candles are there. It means there were more candles in this plate and here less candles are there. So like this we can decide about the more and less. Okay, thank you.